There are some cattle on in here, aren't they? Hello. Wonder where are the bigger ones? I think they were over here. Yep, they're over here. I think there are chickens somewhere here. I kind of forgot where they were, though. I think they were somewhere over here. No, wait, that's sheep. Sheep! You probably hear the barking sounds. Those are the dogs. I'm not sure where they are, though. Hey, more sheep. Sheep! Wow, those dogs are yappy. You probably see them, right? I can see them. I'll probably have to get a little bit closer, though. Yep, right there. No, they're so cute and fluffy. Well, at least their tails. I'll get a little closer. No. You two are so cute. Look at you. You two have such fluffy tails. No, it's so fluffy. Wait, where are you going? No, you're so cute. What are you doing? No, look at you. You're so cute. No, look at you too. No. Careful. No, look at your cute little face. Oh. No, you're so cute. Yep, yes you are. You friendly? You seem like you are. I probably should. Whoa. Hello. Wow, they're loud. I probably shouldn't go opening this, or else they'll probably come on out. I once went in there and fed them. You probably see the one in the window right there, see? Sorry if it's not much of a clear shot of it. I'd just rather not let them on out and have them flock about. Or whatever. Huh? Oh, okay then. Alright. The guy says I can... Okay. How do I open this thing? Hold on, you guys. This is taking me some time here. This knob is not that very... Whoa, hey. Hello. And move. Sorry. No. Away. Move. Move. Sorry. No. Go. I'm gonna... Well, they seem raw or something. I don't know. I'm cutting this now.